Okay, let's continue again. And this is two videos I want to record again for the 5D, and the topic is looking back. Can I use something, David? Of course. Do you ever look at your old code all the time, really? Sometimes by choice, and sometimes because I have to fix it. That's so funny. I opened a project I wrote a few months ago, and how was it? Confusing. Your own project? Yes, that's completely normal. I couldn't believe I wrote it in a good way or a bad way. A little of both. Tell me more. Some parts made me smile. Why? Because I remember how excited I was when they finally worked. That's a good memory. But other parts, yeah, I keep asking myself, why did I do it like this? Welcome to software development. Does that ever solves? I hope not. Really. If you all code never way makes you think, God, I could write this better today. Yeah. Then maybe you're not growing. I never thought about it that way. Growth changes your perspective. There was one function that was almost 200 lines long. How did you feel? A little embarrassed? Don't be. Why not? Because the functions touch you something. Like what? Way smaller functions are easier to read. That's true. You learn by doing. I also noticed something else. What was it? I barely wrote any comments. Interesting. Now I understand why comments can be helpful. Sometimes, sometimes, yeah, good code should explain itself whenever possible. So comments aren't always the answer. Exactly. Better names help too. It helps a lot. I had variable called Zeta1 and times. We've all done that. Now I'd probably use better names. That's progress. Can I ask something? Sure. How do you know becoming a better developer? That's a great question. What's your answer? I stopped trying to write clever code, and really, you just trying to write clear code. I like that. You also ask better questions, not just more questions. Exactly. Anything else? You become more patient with bugs. Yeah, of course, absolutely with your bugs. And with yeah, with yourself, especially with yourself. I think I still have a lot to learn. So do I. Seriously, yeah, software development never really needs. Um, uh, sorry, software development never really ends. I guess that's part of the job. It is. You know what I'm most proud of? What I a few months ago, yeah, I was afraid to ask questions, and now I ask them almost every day. That's a huge improvement. I also used to panic whenever I found a bug, and now I investigate it. Excellent. I still make mistakes. You always will, and that doesn't sound very encouraging. Let me finish. Let me finish. Okay. The difference is Yeah, your mistake become better teachers. I like that. Can I ask you one last question? Of course, if you could give one piece of advice to yourself 6 months ago. Hmm, take your time. I'd probably say, go on. Don't compare yourself to a junior developers. That's good. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday. That's even better. Because that's the only comparison I can control. Exactly. One day at a time. Yeah, one day at a time. One lesson at a time. Yeah, one lesson at a time. One improvement at a time. Of course, one at a time. And one line code at a time. Yeah, one line at a time. And thank you for watching.